So, bukas, may schedule ako sa Clark, Pampanga para sa initial assessment and one-day recruitment ng Cebu Pacific. Kakatakot. Hindi naman. More on nakakatakot kasi hindi ko alam yung possible na mangyari. Like, if everything will go smoothly ba, if I will be hired. Kasi, like, pinapagtanungan ko, sa isang room daw, may 10 applicants na tatawagin. And then, like, reach test, ganon, kami-kami, introduce yourself, ganon. Then, out of the 10 applicants, usually 2 or 3 lang yung nagpo-proceed sa final interview. Girl! Okay. Hindi, pero yun nga, parang so, sobrang daming aspirants. Nakakapag-isip lang if I will make the cut. But I do hope na pala rin na maging one shot ito. And I might look weird kung anong parting ng hair ko. Kasi ganito ko siya balak i-puyod bukas eh. Hindi sa gitna, nasa gilid. Kaya ganito ang itsura niya ngayon. Para bang bata, parang bumalik ba nung 2014 ba? Yun lang, anyways, ano bang oras ngayon? It's 8:59. And balak ko matulog ng mga 10. Around 10. Kasi balak ko gumising ng 3:30 para maligo. Then, makeup. And then, I'm gonna do my hair. Pero, doon ako magsusuot ng business attire. Kasi malulukot. Anyways, I hope sa end ng video na to, ng vlog na to, ay hired ako sa Cebu Pacific. Pero like, masyado kasi akong pessimist. So, pinagpapalagay ko yung loob ko na what if ganito, what if ganyan. So, I am guarding my own sanity on what's about to happen tomorrow. So, I don't, alam mo yun, like, lugmok na lugmok. If ano man yung maging results, at least, alam ko, sa sarili ko, na ginawa ko yung best ko. Na kahit nakakatakot and there's a lot of uncertainties, I showed up. Diba? Yun naman yung malaga to. Na kahit walang kasiguraduhan kung ano yung mapapala ko dito sa uli, at least I showed up. And it's an experience. It's a lesson. So, all of this will be valuable to me then naman in the future. And maybe, you know, if things won't work out tomorrow, maybe there will be a bigger opportunity for me out there. Diba? International airlines outside the Philippines. Who knows? Anyways, see you tomorrow. Let's hope, let's wish, let's manifest. I will get this. I will get this. I'm currently doing my makeup. Grabe naman yun. nandito pa ang tao sa kanila. Grabe yung eye bags ko. The best na yan. Tapos parang ang patchy ng makeup ko. Anyways, this will do. Eye bags ko. Dapat yun.
Makantrap. This is real. This is me.
Ligwak ganern.
Classmate.
I am thankful and happy for the opportunity that I got. Cebu Pacific, see you in the next 6 months again, I guess.